I can highly recommend Sungrow's June 15th Smart Virtual Show. It's like nothing you've ever seen.
And during this period of COVID-19, everybody is looking for new ways. How do we engage an audience online?
也很高兴这次年联能够将最新的云展技术与最新的逆变解决方案结合起来，奉献给大家。
And one for which I'll certainly be registering, and I would suggest you do the same.
Solo queríamos felicitaros por la iniciativa del Sungrow Smart Energy Virtual Show y desearos que salga estupendamente. Un abrazo.
이번 선그로우 스마트 에너지 비추얼 행사가 성공적으로 개최돼 또 한 번의 클린 에너지 산업의 새로운 패러다임을 주도해 나가기를 기원합니다.
Looking forward for you to joining Sungrow's Smart Energy Virtual Show on June 15.
6月15日から始まる、スマートエネルギーバーチャルショー楽しみにしています。皆様も一緒に楽しみましょう。
Believe me, you have never seen it before. Thank you.